Hey guys, welcome to the start of a new vlog. We're starting this vlog picking up the kids. Slow down. Javugwa shkoro. Hold on. You're moving pretty fast.
I'm too excited. I don't want them to get back.
Yeah, they're on the way. So
when I'm at the car playing.
Yo. Chamwe ntamba. Takamirira sister.
Can I run now?
Yeah, but don't fall. Zavugwa. If you're new here, hi, my name is Linda. You can call me Fiona. Please make sure you subscribe. If you enjoy this video, if you're returning subscribe, Makadini, Maskirasi, Matsukoi. You probably tell them far with the Shkora Zavugwa. Zorora. I worked a lot, but I rested a lot. Oh, because this got bench, but and you got it also. Takamira. I'm about to run away. Yeah. I'm not going to get up for it to start. She's playing by the swing area. I'm sorry to start the vlog, but welcome back to another video. I'll just repeat myself. It's your first time here. Hi, my name is Linda. I also call me Fiona. I'm a mom of two. I live in Canada. I'm Zimbabwean, and my kids are. And yeah, I create lifestyle vlogs. Just taking care of my kids and motherhood. If you're a twin subscriber, Makadini Madzokoi Tinofara Kukuona Ipano. Yeah, I just thought I'd start the vlog picking up the kids. Maxine, ndakanga notora my first day pictures. First day of school pictures. Tuition ndakava tora my pictures. Was it? Musotikaenda kunotora my school supplies. Tuesday ndikatovaudza ndikati ndiri kutora my picture nhasi because ndozoti musi wekutanga ndichakanganwa, and that's exactly what happened. So yeah, I'm just happy, but in the sorora and ndakaneta, guys, I didn't realize like my entire soul was exhausted. Kuneta kwekwe kuti even kurara nachitotadza kurara maskati, because I don't know, like my immune system does something to boost it, and I think it's just that shock kuti summer yapera, we are now back into school routines, so it's just trying to adjust my planning and expectations. It's not so much about nguva dzatiri kumuka. No, we wake up times okay. Vanotanga chikoro kuma 8:20 Maxine. It's just the shift. But yeah, the weather is still beautiful, so that's been a blessing. So takangomira kuti sisi vakuru vauya ndina Heidi, so I'm waiting for Helen. Arkuya need this way, but so my bottles, they decided to use the big ones. I'm not really a fan because I was going to my big. Chakura my big avazutakura nasi. Gamnino pa channel Shrika. He was coming in again Thursday, but I'm going to come mechanic. I'll see him later tonight, which is fine. I don't think he'll be too late. Right now time is close to 5 o'clock. It's before 5, so I'm trying to drink from this. I'm so thirsty. So yeah, Vanona pizza earlier than that, but Vanu in the cool after school program. How do you suck from this thing? Anyway, so let me show you the backpacks and sister Marukutamba, and then I'll pick up this vlog and we'll just carry it depending on what we're doing, but we're taking it easy this Thursday and Friday. It is the 4th of September. Tomorrow will be the 5th, so today's a Thursday. We'll just take it easy. Let me go play with her for a bit. So these are the backpacks that I decided to give them, because mangwacho ndakatenga inini mahombe, and I feel like I think let's start in the aisle. Then my keychain and ndakatenga it just gives a little like pizzazz and decoration. Like a big sanitizer. Yeah, I did sanitizer by anyway. I'm actually overdressed. Kurkupisa. I have these shoes, Nautica, leggings, tank top, and sweater. That's what I'm wearing. It's not working.
It's only giving me air, not water.
It's not working, this water bottle. Let me try and fix it.
Look.
Then like I also tried to drink and it's not coming out. Let me see if I can fix it. I don't need it, but I think it's something I can fix. But anyway, you have another bottle at home.
I'm scared for
While
tomorrow.
I'm doing my work today, I was doing
I'm so
a
excited.
vision board that she posted on the classroom.
Okay.
And,
Wait, typing.
so yeah, she we did a vision board and I was listening to.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Swear to say it's another day. That's why I'm saying that. Yo guys, Mawana Tanga. And I say Mawana Tanga because which I can't really say that. Yesterday it was sunny. It's the next day. It is Friday, so day 2 since school's opening. It's really interesting how they let the kids start school at the end of the week. I don't know, maybe just to give them a little intro-ish, and then the kids go back home and I don't know, they kind of settle in the weekend and then they start over next week. But yeah, maybe, I don't know what that's about, but anyway, my point is it's Friday. I'm about to go pick up the kids. Yeah, yesterday was apparently a good school day. I talked to the girls about the experience. They had a really good time. Saw some of their friends from the last school year. Oh, it looks better. Can you see this line is not really straight? Can you tell? But I like the realism. I like Hey Vivi. Their wigs are just everything. I've been thinking of buying like hair extensions, like weave, so that I do like a leave out sew-in situation. But I could buy this again because look, even Queen I didn't even struggle. I just put it on. It's snug, it's tight. But and now I'm stressing. Like it literally took me a minute and I just brushed it and it looks so good. Now can you imagine if I straighten and actually do what I need to be doing for it to thrive? I'm actually very happy. I'm very happy. So yeah, yesterday got back home. Transport like the buses. Sometimes I don't know, especially like rush hour, peak hour, whatever. But anyway, we were able to get home. Then my 8 Sagabuda to my shops, kunotenga, some bread and just some essentials that I need around the house, like salt, butter. And then which was a nice evening drive. Got back home, we ate, spent a little bit of time, and then today woke up, dropped off the kids at school, and I've been home the entire day. Plan was to leave in the morning, but yeah, I'm just gonna be here I was with Bambi Yoba channel in the morning, and then he left for work. So I'm gonna call him right now and find out where he is or if he's done. And then I'm actually busy. I'll go and do no Choraban and dig. And also I just want to hear what's going on because I haven't chatted with him in a little bit. But others are doing well. I'm doing good, you guys. I don't know, the weather has just changed. Today I knew it would be cloudy, but I don't know, it's just giving me a little bit of anxiety. You know, the more gloomy it gets, the less exciting content that I will have or life experiences to share with you, because we're always inside, you know, Canada winter, you know, 12 months and months and months and months. So I'm just a little worried about that. Maybe I'll just discuss that with my partner and just hear what advice he has for me or how he can make me feel better. We were actually talking about content yesterday. Nail polish it's a 0. It's a 1 out of 10 because see, that's my dryer. It's chipping, and honestly, you see that when I use the other one, the dollar store one, I visual maybe a lot since yesterday and today, but still this is a little much. It's too soon for nail polish, and that's what I was a Tuesday. Yeah, October. So let's call him and find out where he is, and then if he's not available, then I'll leave. Let's see. Thankfully it was sunny, but I think that will come maybe 1 hour later, because my daughter wasn't also at the location that we wanted to pick her up. She had gone for activities with her group. So ndwiming futhi yoyi ukuthi kakurumidza kusvika vanangu astoripo pauri kuvapika up pacho. Let's see if I take this one. Does it drop me off? Okay, let's call him together, and then I'll get offline and see which bus route I can take, or bus route I can take. Let's call him first and just find out where he is, and then if he's unavailable, we make a plan. We gotta leave within the hour. Right now it's 5 o'clock, literally.
Hello, baby.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, I'm still at work.
Okay.
And I'll start coming to your side.
So what time do you think you'll finish?
Should be done, let's say in an hour's time or an hour 30 minutes time.
Okay, I'm going to pick up the kids.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm actually worried, but I know it's time for us to pick up the kid, but I'm already committed myself on the job, honestly.
Okay.
I didn't plan it too long.
Okay, it's fine. I will see you later.
Alright, baby.
Okay, I love you.
I love you, baby.
Okay, bye.
Love you too.
Okay, bye.
Alright, baby.
So, you're still busy. So, let me go pick up the kids. I'll see you guys when I get back. I just need to get like a cardigan or something warm because so I need something to throw on top, and then I will catch a bus and I'll go pick up the kids. But I might Uber back. We'll just see to Fambasi. But yeah, there's not much going on, guys. That's why I haven't been recording. Like, there's just not much happening. And sometimes that's what I'm doing. Obviously get Savannah, make sure they feed, eat, spending time at Zimbabwean Youtuber channel. I've been on the phone as well with my sister in Australia, so like that's been the past 24 hours ish. Not much going on, but I'll pick up the camera and we'll just keep it moving. So yeah, let's go pick up my babies.
Kinda do. I'm sorry, ice cream lovers. I'm being weird.
Okay, let me talk to them. Hey guys, too low. Let's put you up. So we are back at home. Booyah. I picked up the kids.
As you could already see.
And I'm craving ice cream. We went out last night and I don't know why I didn't buy ice cream. Am I too close, guys? This camera sometimes I'm like, do I have to move that far?
You have to go like sometimes when the camera is like over here, you have to go like so far so that they could see your whole body.
Are you giving me tips?
Is that what you mean?
I guess. It's so hot in the house, so it's just cool and rainy outside.
While in here, hot and steamy.
Hot and steamy inside, guys. I absolutely love this wig. Like, I just need to wash it. I think I have like wig wash products that I was gifted in the month of May, so I think I'm gonna use those to just clean. Because you see, it looks frizzy because it was raining as well.
So your hair.
What? They know I have cornrows. I have cornrows underneath.
Take them off and show your hair.
They know my hair. What is up with you today? You guys know cornrows.
Is that a Twinkie or a...
Vitamins. Let me give them vitamins. Yeah, I give them vitamin. Let me show you the vitamins I give them. But yeah, I need to wash it. So, vitamin D. Especially with the weather now that it's changing. Vitamin. What time is it? 6 o'clock. I need those iPads back by multi with iron. Centrum Junior. And then
You got the couch dirty.
fix the couch. You found it clean, ID. Vitamin C.
Some of the iPad.
So that's the whole lineup for the kids. So I'm gonna give them right now. Plan is to cook sadza. So cook sadza and I don't know, sadza and something. And then that's it. I'm just having fun with this here. So I'll see you guys in Dakubik. So yeah.
And Dr. Beak.
Bye. You got a task. Clockwise. There is space. I'll come create space. So ndawacha hembe earlier. So let's get them out. There's no light where you are, so that's why. I tried to wash dark colors, so yeah, let me take them away. So if you have a better method, please show me. If you have like a dryer and a washer system. So this is my technique to remove the lint. Let me show you. So bring it out. I clean the inside area. I don't know if you guys can hear me. You know what? I'll say this again and again and again, you guys. It's been so refreshing. Come, let's go to the bath. Should we go to the bathroom? Wait. It's been so refreshing to hear like Zimbabweans create YouTube channels and speak in Shona and get views. Isipatakatanga YouTube kwakusina zvakadaro 2020 waitoti ukataura nechirungu wotoita edit out chirungu chacho. But now like our people are more connected and the creators as well are becoming more and more comfortable with creating content speaking in our local language. Guys, that is so priceless. I tell you, so priceless. Let me put this away.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me.
can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back on our past, I don't wanna be just another memory. I don't wanna forget, no. And I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't wanna worry, 'cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place? Never wanted you to leave. Never wanted you to leave. Oh yeah. I don't wanna be a memory, just another memory. Can we go back? Oh, 'cause I'm looking back. Yeah, I don't wanna be a memory. I can still remember the first time that we kissed. They feel light as a fire. I don't wanna be a memory. Yeah. Oh, looking back. Yeah, yeah. Looking back.
Hey guys, Bumnino was here for a little bit, so he's gone. It was a really quick in and out. He just wanted to talk and then he left, so I didn't even switch on my camera at all. So sometimes, like, I won't switch on my camera if it's just like a quick in and out, because he's traveling tonight. So he just came to say bye. I made a bruschetta. I mean, it did go anyway, I don't think the camera is doing enough justice, but let's taste. So good. Let me show you the container. So I don't know where they buy it. I don't want it to spill, but it's written bruschetta. And then you just get like crusty bread. When I went to the shops yesterday, the kanga no tenga bread, specific bread for it. You need like a thick baguette type of bread, and then you put it on top. Let me show you. And then you broil it in the oven for a few minutes. That's what it looks like. So it's just like, I think, a mix of like tomatoes, some Italian spice, olive oil, cider vinegar, fresh basil, fresh garlic, sea salt, concentrated lime juice, fresh oregano, water, spices. herbs, Italian tomatoes. It is so good. I love this. This is my best snack. Yeah. But anyway, let's see what you guys said. Yeah, let me do that. Just need to have some salsa. I'm going to edit the thumbnail for a video, so let me get to it.
Uh, 1,000 square meters, which is what we're about to show you right now, and then continue to explain after that. So see this. Havana kuma tumbo sizadachifungira isusu nekuseri kwacho uku kuchange kune chiyuku una celebrity anaweza wae baba masi so we just saw this here and it's beautiful. I'm here with Mr. Chidayens. He approves. You approve. Tena mama ndo atifambira nyanzaji saka tamboona and then chazofambira zvakawanda so namandi. That's perfect.
Hey guys, it's Saturday on the vlog. Today's the 6th of September 2025. I cannot believe I'm actually saying that. Time flies. So I'm wearing a dress from Shein. It's just like a beautiful party kind of dress. It's stretchy over here, it's short, and then it's like flared at the bottom. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say goodbye, close the vlog. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Now that the weather's changing, I might have said this before, but now that we're transitioning into the fall season and kids are back in school, life slows down, at least from my perspective while living in Canada. The weather was gloomy this morning, which I need to leverage on that, take advantage of that sunshine, this sunshine right here, and create videos for next month, sit down videos. But yeah, today's the day that I actually posted my Zimbabwe to Canada vlog, if it's still up on my channel as I'm speaking. I recorded that video 4 years ago when we were moving as a family at that time, and so much has changed since. So it was just an emotional roller coaster to see myself and what I looked like. And if you can tell, if you watch that video, the travel video, the relocation video, I look a lot different. It just goes to show, that gives you context regarding what I was going through at that time when I was married. It never stopped. It continued when we moved here, and I had to make a difficult decision to divorce. But all is well for now. Everything is going okay in this moment right here. I thank God for his grace. I thank God for the courage that I had, because I wouldn't be here today, to be quite honest. I wouldn't be creating content. I don't think I would be posting. I've really come a long way. Me and my daughters have come a long way. I was actually talking to one of my daughters this morning that, you know, we need to remember that we've been through so much while in Zimbabwe and even here, and through all those life transitions. Like, we just really need to remember to be kind to one another, to be kind to ourselves, and to continue to heal, because healing is a long process, it's a long journey. No, it takes time, especially if you've been through traumatic events. You will understand what I'm talking about, or witnessed anyone close to you who has been through traumatic events or who has had traumatic experiences. But other than that, I'm happy to just have the video up. I felt like I worked very hard on that video when I used to have my first channel back in 2019, and That channel still exists. It just has travel videos only, but I thought I'd bring it here just to share more context and shed more light for Manuari new who have discovered my channel and my content, though then you would understand how we ended up like in Canada. So yeah guys, I'm doing okay. Just a really long day. I feel we have a birthday party outside. What's happening? One of our neighbors, so the kids are in and out. They've set up a whole play area and they have pizza and cake. I'm indoors and I'm just gonna organize laundry, all the laundry I've been washing. Yeah, now I know, and plan my content. Yeah, and just continue to film. I hope my content is getting better and better, and you guys please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please remember to like, share these videos, comment, do the best you can to support my channel, to support me, to support us, so that we can grow. That's the only way this channel can actually grow. YouTube supports or recognizes the likes, the shares, the comments, the engagement, you know, even just say hi in the comments, you know, I'll reply. But yeah, I'm so excited and I'm pushing really hard and working very hard for these videos, this one, to come out as soon as I can. I'm clearing out the backlog and I want, my goal is that by December to get on the same track. But yeah, I'll see you guys. That was what I had that became my noodles. Let me go eat them. I got mac and cheese, so I opted for noodles. I'll have that with a salad. Maybe I'll redo my nails since they're chipping quite more this time. I have some clothes to dry. What else? I think that's all I'm up to. But first I have to clear my workstation, then to elsewhere. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me show you my outfits at the bottom to you guys can see. So that's it's flared. It's such a beautiful dress, beautiful. But anyway, like I always say, to ciao nana very soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.